Well, where will I fix yoga at next? Avalanche ATV pop-ups next. Laney College got courses for you. 2026. Check them out, y'all. It's an amazing campus with lots to offer. Let's get down there, check them out. Sign up for your courses. They'll have you raring to go. Fucker.